Good afternoon, fellow traders and lounge members. This is Master B here, coming with an afternoon recap of the quarter points that on previous videos that I talked about. This afternoon, going into the closing, it was beautiful. It was perfect. The quarter points act as support and resistance levels, and it was just beautiful, So I'm going to go and show you what I mean. We had price action approaching a quarter point area of 4,000 even, right? And we had an elephant bar go smashing through the quarter point. Okay, so on a pullback, enter the trade, go to midway, and final destination, the next quarter point, which was 4025. Perfect. The lounge members know about the code. She was in code, and it was just perfect. We had tone. We had the momentum going through 4,000. So there was a strong possibility that she might go up to midway, which she hit, and broke through midway and went straight to the last quarter point. This is the ES mini. This is what happened with the quarter points into the close Friday 2023. It's an awesome strategy, the plan to follow. And this is just a recap. All right. I'm Master B, Trading Lounge, Master Teacher. Feel free to contact me if you want to find out more information on how the lounge works the quarter point. Until next time, have a blessed weekend. This is Master B out. Peace.